Are you finally ready to stop overthinking and find peace? In this video, I'm going to help you out. What's up, game changers? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. So overthinking is a thing that I constantly run into. And this is why I feel like I'm qualified to bring this up, because I've dealt with it so many times and I've found ways of going around it, of ways of dealing with this block that I'm trying to figure out how to go around the right way. You know, what's left for me to explore? How do I get to the bottom of this whole thing? If I could just overcome it, or if I can just break through it. I've thought about these kind of obstacles so many times. And really what's helped me out is to either have mental models that I can pull from that will help me more quickly decide if this is something that's worth my time, my value, my energy, and to let it go. Just let it go and embrace the joy of not overthinking it and just having it work in the background, having it process within the unconscious mind. So in order to actually consciously process it a bit more, I've gone through a couple major techniques. And those techniques are: one, brainstorming. Just list as many ideas as you can. How could I solve this problem? How could I deal with this issue? If it's a relationship thing, like I want to bond with my girlfriend better. Okay, so what are 10 to 15, once you get past 10, really that's when all the gold starts to happen. 10 to 15 different ways that I could bond better. Just mindstorm it. Just go through rapid fire as many as you can and think of what you can do to deal with it. And then from there, go back, look at those, see what are the most leverageable, and prioritize them. This is something that I go through with my clients all the time because I find it's such an amazing technique. Yes, I work with a lot of INFPs within the Myers-Briggs system, so this extroverted intuition, this brainstorming, gathering possibilities, this innovating, explorer type character within us is something that we're very fond of, and it serves this mentorly like role within us. So it's pretty easy to bond with, but really this is something that all of us can embrace and use. Another thing that you can do is to just take an action. Like, what is the simplest thing that you can do to take an action? Like, what's the first step? What do you need to do? I could call that person. Okay, we'll call that person. like that's it. Like, what is the thing that is so simple that even a toddler could understand how to do it? Like, break it down to that simplest thing. So simple that you can't mess it up, and just do it. Yes, getting to the point where you actually do it is a balance of, I guess, motivation and conviction and all this other stuff. But like, if you present yourself with the result that you want and the ability to get past that obstacle, then you should be able to do it. You just need to kind of motivate yourself to do it. So make it so simple that a toddler can do it. And in terms of your unconscious and getting that to work for you in the background, something that I do quite often is to just stop and take a couple breaths, just center myself, and put this idea, this question, this crafted question, how do I blah blah blah, into my crock pot of a mind, and let it stew, let it coagulate. Put in that suggestion, put in that question, and just take a step back, go do something else. Go fill up another pot. Go pour water into this other bucket of something that's going to engage you for a while. And when you come back, it's in your crock pot. You take it out, you add some spices, you make it nice, and then you eat it and you consume it, and then you're able to use that energy to go produce something else and something better in your life. Those techniques are really beneficial. There's things that I constantly go back to when I'm in the right mind and I'm ready to actually get past this obstacle in whatever way I'm going to get past it. It's either to brainstorm, to take an action, the simplest action, or both of those, and then leave something to the unconscious to process. And really just let all of those work in their own ways. You can try them, you can bring them into your life, see which one works best for you, and then comment down below in the comments section. Let me know what you did, what was beneficial for you, and how you're going to live a better life from today by incorporating these techniques. If you're interested in more personal development videos, you can check them out over here. If you want one-on-one coaching, you can go to geekpsychology.com and sign up for a free session. And if you want some cognitive function, some personality type videos, you can check them out over here. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.